Hey everybody, my name's Gray. This video is about me flying down to Florida to visit my Aunt Kerry and have all sorts of wacky adventures. Stick around at the end of this video if you want to hear me explain some stuff about why I made this video and my plans regarding some future adventures just like this one. Enjoy! Currently in one of those really long walkie thingies. It's a lot more walking involved than I thought there would be. It's fine though. It's all good. I'm prepared. Don't know where I am anymore. This place is huge. So there's trains in the airport. They got trains in the airports. Trains. Who are these people? Oh no, I've been bamboozled. I am enjoying this so much. You don't even know. Look at these. Look at them. Yeah. Okay, so we're in an IKEA. This is my first time in an IKEA.
And on a scale of 1 to 10, what do we think?
So far it's like a 6. It's a lot of noises.
Oh, that's pretty high. This is gonna be the worst vlog ever. Hi people watching.
This is my amazing Aunt Kerry. Okay, so it's very strange. You think you're coming up to a wall or a corner, and then you find a space to walk and it just keeps going. I think the store really is infinite. You guys were right.
Wait, who was right?
The internet. The internet.
Wait, who's been weighing in on the IKEA experience?
The internet, like Tumblr. I'll go on Tumblr and I'll see posts about IKEA.
I'm old. I don't understand why Tumblr would be interested in IKEA.
I don't even know where we are. I've lost my sense of direction, which is crazy, because I usually have a great sense of direction.
It's as big as the sign out there.
It is. We've been walking for a while.
Oh, you should do a map. Show it like
Oh, I can't turn it around, but I will do this.
Oh, like our tour guide said, Vanna White.
I don't know where we are. Or like, you know, there. We're there. We're lost.
The chairs. There's just chairs everywhere.
IKEA has claimed us.
If someone could help us on the internet.
Send help. We're lost on the floor to IKEA.
IKEA. this is the IKEA in Nightville.
Yes,
Hey,
we're in
any
Nightville.
Nightville fans, shout out.
I have 0 followers.
Oh, I
on
know,
YouTube.
but after this, you might have a few, and they'll all be mean. Trust me, they'll
Okay.
all be mean.
Hi guys, IKEA time.
Thanks for being mean. Find my pot. Let's try, guys.
Oh yes, we're looking for a pot.
I bought some cactuses, and I need a drain pot.
Yes.
Can you also help with that as you guide us out of the IKEA?
I mean, by the time I post it, we're probably gonna be past the
You know
pot.
what? I probably still won't find a pot, and the cactus are gonna hate me. I can't go home tonight without that pot.
The cactus will be disappointed apparently.
Do you think Grace should get a tattoo?
Yes.
An IKEA tattoo?
An IKEA tattoo.
A giant meatball on your arm?
Yes.
IKEA's known for meatballs.
If you ask me to get an IKEA tattoo, I probably will.
Don't ask.
My arm's getting tired.
Well, that's because we've been in here for 5 hours trying to find a way out.
Or a pot. Either one. Okay.
Okay, we're going into the kids zone. Oh, if only we could get video of that. Super cute. Super cute.
I'm walking backwards.
Puppies and pandas.
That's smart. I'm gonna not run into things.
I'll got you. No worries.
Alright.
What are you thinking? No, we're in the trial zone.
I like the colors. Colors are nice.
And the toys. Oh, look at the hangers. Aww.
Oh. Ask me what I'm doing.
What are you doing?
What am I doing, you
hanging
say?
around. Don't you say hanging around.
I'm just hanging
Don't you-
out.
Puns are the worst. Puns are the worst.
Just hanging out, guys. Hanging
Nope.
out.
No. I'm going to abandon you and
That's fine. I'll just eat the beds.
just stand there.
What is. Oh. It's very soft. IKEA elephants. They're very soft.
All right, now we're going downstairs.
Oh, okay. There's a caution sign, and I'm going
This
to
is where you
not be
can actually
cautious.
purchase them. And hopefully we'll find a pot, but I don't have
Yes,
any
the pot.
pots. And the practice will blame me. He will not be happy. And when things aren't happy in Nightville, we know what happens.
The secret police come after you.
It devours.
Oh, I love the song. Now it's stressed out. IKEA knows. I don't dance. No, I don't.
Look, everyone
Used
can do
to
the
sleep,
head
but
nod.
now we're stressed out. I can head nod.
And say,
We have to turn over all of them. They can't stop us. We are slowly getting closer to the pots for all our little cactuses. They're all gonna go in one pot for clarification. Oh, they have little cactuses here. Tiny plants. Tiny plants.
you should have walked. That was the cactus that we went to.
Yes, we went to the cactus place, Florida Cactus Inc. It was amazing. There were thousands. It was awesome. Little cactuses
And I mean,
and succulents.
The name is right on the nose.
Yes.
Florida cactus.
Florida cactus. Florida cactus. Here are the pots.
All these pots, but no drink.
All the pots. They gotta have the drainage holes. What is this? Strange brown orbs.
Find the hole.
Strange brown orbs. We're just gonna keep walking.
Okay, guys. I'm serious. We need to find this pot.
We need to find pots.
And don't you dare say Home Depot. Don't you dare. I want something
Home
unique
Depot.
and different.
Unique and different.
I mean, those are the same words.
Unique and
Apparently.
different.
I'm bad with words.
We're all bad with words. Don't even worry about it.
I mean, but on this video in particular, really bad. There's no coming back from this. My career is over.
Your career's over. You're canceled. Okay, we're in like a warehouse section now.
This is where you pick up all your furniture to build it.
Oh, we're gonna build things.
I mean, we're not, because we can't go home without a pot. The cactus won't let us.
The cactus will kick us out.
I don't know what
Cheers.
we're gonna do if I can't find this pot, guys. For real, we can't go home.
We can build a pot.
Can we live with one of y'all on the internet?
Yes, hit us up.
I do.
Can
say
we
y'all
live with you?
Because I'm from Florida.
I say y'all too.
Florida.
So I'm from the south.
Oh no, but we established insurance versus insurance.
Oh yes, is it EN or IN? Comment below. Insurance.
Nevada or Nevada? Don't you say Nevada. It's Nevada.
There is a correct answer.
And I don't want anyone that lives there to tell me that's how people say it that live there. You're wrong.
You're wrong.
So all your followers from Las Vegas, gone.
Gone. You're all canceled. Sorry. I don't make the rules. Okay, we're not in the right place. Oh, we found the exit. Yay! We did it. We escaped.
And then we all converge. You can't leave.
We can't leave. Jungle. Hey everybody, thanks for watching. As promised, I'm gonna explain what the heck this is all about. So, one of my goals in life is to have adventures, to go out, travel the world, see the sights, all that jazz, have fun. And I thought it would be a cool idea to have a little video log of the places that I go and the things that I do there. This trip I took to Florida is only the beginning. Next, I'm going to fly over to the UK to visit my amazing pal Aiden. If you've watched any of my little Minecraft videos, you'll know who that is. He's the best. That's happening a few months from now, and I'm very excited about that. So stay tuned. I'll pack my proper camera when I go to England so that the video will be higher quality than this, and also I'll be filming with making a video in mind. When I went to Florida, I didn't think about making a video until I started vlogging in IKEA on a whim, which is why this video has more pictures than video. Sorry. So yeah, those are my plans. Thanks again for watching. I hope your day goes well, and if it doesn't, tomorrow will be better. And that's a threat. Bye!